Hi friends, welcome to the Jason's World. I hope you all are well. In this lecture we discuss December 2020 IGNOU Term and Exemption question paper, that is CHE 5 Organic Chemistry. Friends, we already discussed question number 1 and 2, 3 ABCD. In this lecture we continue with question number 3E. Friends, this is question number 3E. Arrange the following alcohol in decreasing order of EG of their dehydration. Friend, alcohol dehydration depend on carbocation. Friends, we already related to the term carbocation. The stable carbocation means easily dehydrations. Let's find out the carbocation of tertiary alcohol, secondary alcohol and primary alcohol. The carbocation of tertiary alcohol, this is our tertiary alcohol, this is our tertiary carbocations. So friends, tertiary alcohol gives tertiary carbocations. Similarly friends, secondary alcohol, that is 2 degree alcohol, gives secondary carbocation, means 2 degree carbocation. Similarly friends, carbocation of primary alcohol, the primary alcohol gives primary carbocation. This is our first degree carbocation. So friends, this carbocation depend many factors, that is inductive effect, hyperconjugation and resonance. So friends, you already discussed stable carbocation means easily dehydrations. So you clearly see in this tertiary carbocation is more stable as compared to secondary carbocation than primary carbocation. So simply write down stability of carbocation, tertiary carbocation is more stable than secondary carbocation, then primary carbocations, or third degree carbocation, then 2 degree, then 1 degree carbocation. So we already discussed stable carbocation means easily dehydrate. So tertiary alcohol easily dehydrate, then secondary alcohol, then primary alcohol. So our resultant order, this is our third degree alcohol, the 2 degree alcohol, this is 1 degree alcohol, means according to these questions, this is our resultant order. This is our tertiary alcohol, that is third degree alcohol. This is our second degree alcohol, and this is our primary alcohol, first degree alcohol. So this is our correct order. This is question number F. Give the reducing agent that are used to convert nitrobenzene to the following. First one is aniline, then phenyl hydroxylamine, then hydrazobenzene. Friends, first we write down its reactions. We already write its reaction. This is our nitrobenzene. Nitrobenzene reduced in presence of nickel with hydrogen in 298 Kelvin, aniline is held. So friends, our reducing agent, we used hydrogen and nickel as a reducing agent in acidic medium. Similarly friends, when we convert nitrobenzene to phenyl hydroxylamine, this is our nitrobenzene, react with zinc in aqueous medium, that is NH4Cl, with 338 Kelvin, phenyl hydroxylamine is held. So friends, zinc with aqueous solution, this is our neutral medium, that is NH4Cl, used as a reducing agent. Friends, when we convert nitrobenzene to hydrazobenzene, we simply take some nitrobenzene, this is 2 mole of nitrobenzene, react with zinc with NOH, 10 equivalent of NOH in basic medium, hydrazobenzene. We also want to diphenyl diazobenzene is held. So friends, zinc, NOH 10 equivalent, basic medium used as a reducing agent. So friends, in first case we used hydrogen, nickel in acidic medium, zinc, NH4Cl in neutral medium, and zinc, NOH in basic medium as reducing agent. Friends, this is question number G. Pyrrole undergo electrophilic substitution at which positions? Give reason for your answer. Friends, pyrrole undergo electrophilic substitution at C2 or beta position. It simply means the attack of electrophiles in pyrrole usually occurs at C2 or beta positions. Let's understand why electrophilic attack to C2 positions in pyrroles. The attachment of electrophilic reagent to the pyrrole ring, which takes place in such a way as to yield the most stable carbocation intermediate. Let's apply this approach to the reaction of pyrroles. Friends, this is electrophilic attack at C2 positions of pyrroles. This is our structure of pyrrole. This is our electrophile. Friends, when electrophile attack to the C2 position, this is our C2 positions, this double bond electrons shift to these positions and electrophile attack to the C2 positions. So friends, when all electrons are shift to these positions, in this place a positive charge is developed. So this is our first carbocations. This double bond shift to these positions and this is our next resonance structures. Similarly friends, this electrons present nitrogen is shift to these positions and is form a double bond, and this is our third carbocations. So friends, when electrophile attack to the C2 positions, mainly 3 carbocations are formed. So we simply say that attack at position 2 of pyrrole yield a carbocation that is a hybrid of 3 structure. You clearly see this is the hybrid of 3 structures. Let's try to understand. When electrophiles attack at position 3. So friends, this is our C3 positions. When electrophile attack to the C3 positions, this double bond shift to this position and electrophile join in these positions. Then friends, this is our first carbocations, then these electrons come to these positions and this is our second carbocations. So friends, we simply understand when carbocation attack to second positions of pyrrole yield a carbocation that is hybrid of 3 structures. When the electrophile attack the position of 3 yields carbocation which is hybrid of only 2 structures. These 3 structures provide extra stabilizations of carbocation in case of attack when electrophile attack to the second position of pyrroles. So friends, it makes positive charge. So this positive charge is more stable. So these 3 hybrid structures are more stable as compared to this. So thus the attack of 2 position when electrophile attack to the second position, this is our more stable. So attack of position 2 is more favor. The pyrrole undergo electrophilic substitution in second or C2 position. Friends, in this lecture we will finish the question number 3. I hope you all are be understand how many students like you are watching video like this but cannot find them. Please share this video with some of your friends who will benefit from it. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, press the bell icon for more updates. Thank you so much.